Chapter 33 of the Quran is called Al-Ahzab, which means the clans, or the Confederates. It contains 73 verses, and was revealed in Medina. Here are some lessons that can be learned from this chapter. Importance of following the Prophet's example. The chapter begins with the command to obey and follow the Prophet Muhammad's example, as he is the perfect role model for believers. The concept of brotherhood. The chapter highlights the importance of brotherhood and unity among the believers, regardless of their tribes or backgrounds. Rules and etiquette of social gatherings. The chapter provides specific rules and etiquette to be followed during social gatherings, such as seeking permission before entering someone's home, speaking politely, and not staying for too long. The importance of modesty. The chapter emphasizes the importance of modesty and instructs Muslim women to cover themselves in public. The concept of accountability. The chapter reminds believers that they will be held accountable for their actions, and that they should fear Allah and strive to do good deeds. The importance of patience and perseverance. The chapter recounts the story of the Prophet's companions during the Battle of the Trench, highlighting their patience and perseverance in the face of adversity. The importance of seeking forgiveness. The chapter encourages believers to seek forgiveness from Allah and turn to Him in repentance, as He is the most forgiving and merciful.